Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can. Why do children sometimes look like their parents, but not exactly the same? The answer lies in inheritance, the passing of genetic information from one generation to the next. In this video, we'll explain the key terms you need for IGCSE Biology and learn how to use Punnett squares to predict genetic outcomes. Inheritance is the transmission of genetic information from parents to offspring. Characteristics are controlled by genes, which are found on chromosomes inside the nucleus of cells. A gene is a section of DNA that controls a characteristic, such as eye color or blood group. Different versions of the same gene are called alleles. For example, a gene may control flower color. One allele could produce purple flowers. Another allele could produce white flowers. Your genotype is the combination of alleles you inherit. Your phenotype is the physical characteristic that is expressed. For example, genotype equals big B, little b. Phenotype equals brown eyes. Genotype refers to the genes. Phenotype refers to the appearance. Some alleles are dominant, while others are recessive. A dominant allele is expressed even if only one copy is present. A recessive allele is only expressed if both alleles are recessive. For example, in the following case, big B equals dominant brown eyes. Little b equals recessive blue eyes. So, big B and big B little b produce brown eyes. Little b produces blue eyes. A Punnett square is a diagram used to predict the possible genetic outcomes of offspring. It helps show possible genotypes, possible phenotypes, probability of inheritance. Let's cross two heterozygous parents. One parent is big B little b and the other parent is big B little b. Each parent can pass on either big B for brown eyes or little b for blue eyes. When we fill in the Punnett square, we get big B, big B little b, big B little b, little b little b. This gives 3 offspring with brown eyes, 1 offspring with blue eyes. So the phenotype ratio is 3:1. Genetic variation helps populations survive changing environments. Different combinations of alleles produce different characteristics, increasing diversity within a species. To summarize, genes control characteristics. Alleles are different forms of a gene. Genotype equals genetic makeup. Phenotype equals physical appearance. Punnett squares predict inheritance outcomes. Mastering these ideas is essential for success in IGCSE Biology. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.